All right, welcome back. So I hope most of the students have joined in, or do we wait another minute or so? Let's wait for just 2 minutes, right? And then we can begin. All right, I begin. I think we should begin, right? So who would like to go next? Hanji, Ankit. Ankit, have you prepared a PPT?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. All right, then you may share your screen now.
Ma'am, can you make host to Tajinder Kanwar, please? We
Okay,
are in a group of three.
okay, Tajinder. And who is the third person in your group?
Vijay Yadav.
Vijay Jadhav, all right. See, I've changed those settings that anybody can share the screen. So try sharing the screen. Tajinder,
Yes, ma'am, sharing the screen.
Can we start, ma'am?
anytime, yes.
Good morning, respected ma'am and my dear classmates. As you can see on the screen, today we are going to represent our presentation on the 3 R's of the environment. Tajinder, can you take us to next slide, please? In a flash, the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. The R word are important part of sustainable living as they help to cut down the amount of waste we have to throw away. It's really simple. Reduce the amount of waste you produce, reuse items as much as you can before replacing them, recycle items wherever possible. Using the 3 R's also helps to minimize the amount of space needed for the landfill sites. Recycle. This is probably the most well-known, well-understood of the 3 R's. If you have recycling pickup service, you will be familiar with recycling papers, plastics, and metal materials. The separated and processed materials will later be processed into other goods. Buying recycled goods in another way to participate in this part of 3 R's. You may start to notice more and more products with are made from recycled materials, stamps. These products are no different from standard goods. They are just help to make the most of the valuable resources. Tejinder, next slide, please. Tejinder, can you take us to next slide? Recycle. Recycling, recovery, and reprocessing of waste material for use in new products. The basic phases recycling are the collection of waste materials, their processing and manufacturing into new products, and the purchase of the new products, which may them themselves be recycled. Typical materials that are recycled include iron and steel scrap, aluminum cans, glass bottles, papers, woods, plastic, and etc. The material used in recycling serves as substitutes for raw materials obtained from such increasingly scarce natural resources as petroleum, natural gas, mineral ore, and trees. Recycling can help to reduce the quantities of solid waste deposited in landfills. Recycling also reduces the pollution of air, water, etc., resulting waste disposal. From here on, my classmate will explain you the next 3 hours of all. Tajinder?
So yeah, thank you, Ankit. On reuse, reusing is an act of taking old items that you might consider throwing always and finding a new use for them. Get the most mileage of the materials you encounter. Jars from grocery stores, food can be used to store leftovers or to take lunch to work. Use clothing, old clothing as cleaning rags. Sometimes materials can be reused by other people, like working computers in past can often be donated to communization. Clothing can often be donated and given to Second Life. On ideas on how to reuse, use you can find everything from clothing to building materials at specialized reuse centers and consignment shops. Often used items are less expensive and good as new. Look for products that use less packaging. When manufacturers make their products with less packaging, they use less raw materials. This reduces waste and be passed along to the consumer. Buying in bulk, for example, can reduce packaging and save money. Buy reusable over disposable items. Look for items that can be reused. The little things can add up. For example, you can bring your own silverware and cup to work rather than using disposable items. Like in this picture, as we can see in this picture, there is a container that broken into several pieces, and by applying a creative approach of reusing, after that broken container convert into a beautiful flower pot. So yeah, this is the reusing some for example, and next slide will be continued by Vijay Yadav. Over to Vijay.
Thank you, Tajinder. Reduce. The best way to manage the waste is to not to produce it. This can be done by shopping carefully and being aware of few guidelines. First point, avoid over-packaged goods, especially one package with several materials such as foil, paper and plastics. They are difficult to recycle. Plus, you pay more for the package. Second point, avoid disposable goods such as paper, plastics, cups, napkins and etc. Throwaways contribute to problem and cost more because the must be replaced again and again. Third point, use cloth napkin and instead of paper napkins. Use dishcloth instead of paper towels. Next slide. Some benefits of reducing. First point, prevent pollution caused by reducing the need to harvest new raw materials. Second point, save energy. Third, save money. Four, allows product to use to their extent. Fifth, help sustain the environment for future generation and etc. Next. Hello, Tajinder. Next slide, please.
Next slide is showing.
In the last, there is a flowchart that explains how to manage, use, and how to convert wasteful product into a useful product. Thank you.
So that was well done, right? The three of you really coordinated well with each other, and you provided just the right amount of information in your slide. And that was, a very relevant topic to pick. That yes, no matter we keep reading about it, but how can we actually implement it in our life? So good effort, Vijay, Tajinder, and Ankit. Keep that up. All right. So who would like to go next? Anu?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anu, are you ready with your PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you may share it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
screen is audible. Visible? Visual.
Yes, you are audible to me.
Screen is visible.
The screen is but not yet visible.
Good morning, respected teachers.
Are you presenting it with somebody, Anu?
No, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead then.
Ma'am, now it's visible.
Yes, now it is.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Anu Gupta from CSC second semester of your college. Today I am here to speak about self-motivation. Self-motivation is the inspiration behind your behavior and action. It is an important mechanism that will help you to reach your goals without external influences. First of all, we have to know that belief in what is self-motivation. It's mean having a belief in yourself and your abilities. It is something that need to be developed internally. Next. Self-motivation is important in every aspect of your life, be it career, social life, relationship, health and fitness, spirituality, or personality development. First, you must find out what motivates you. Some people may get motivated by influential people, while some reading books, inspirational books, stories and poems. Different methods are used by different people. And here I am also say something. It cannot be taught, but it is very important for a healthy and positive lifestyle. With self-motivation makes a person independent, eager, optimistic, loving, and positive by nature. All these characteristics are important to achieve goals in life. Self, it is key to success and play a scientific significant role in the life of an individual. Some basic steps to motivate yourself are positive attitude, start with a small step, strength, never lose your mental balance, never quit. And the next one. No one will come and help you to achieve your goals until you help yourself. So gear up and get started. Reward yourself even if you make any single accomplishment. Believe in yourself so that you can easily self-motivate it. Yourself recall these self-motivation skills daily and you are sure to succeed. And also I say last line to everyone, remember self-motivation cannot be built at boost in a day. It takes time. So keep working on yourself and achieve your goals slowly. And the last, thank you to everyone.
So yes, that was a wonderful effort, Anu Gupta. Right? I really
Thank
like
you,
the
ma'am.
topic that you picked. It is very relevant for, I think I would say for all age groups, not just for you or for me, but for everyone. Right? And given the time we are going through right now with the COVID pandemic and the lockdown and all that heartbreaking news that we see, so yes, something positive like that really works in our favor. So good effort. I really appreciate it and the hard work you put in. All right. So who would like to present next? Arun, have you prepared something? Yes, Arun. Arun, are you ready with your PPT? Yes or no? No problem. You can just simply tell me. All right. Moving further to Daljit. Yes, Daljit. All right. Divyanshu. Yes, Divyanshu. What about? Okay, no. Then what about Gurjinder? No problem. You can do it next week, right? So, Gurjinder, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Gurjinder, go ahead. You may share your screen.
Ma'am, Vishal are in my team.
All right.
Vishal is my team.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, can
Hanji, you may start anytime, whenever you are ready.
I am not in this world to live up to your expectations, and you are not in this world to live up to mine. Good morning to all present here. Today, me and my friend Gurjinder want to express our views on peer pressure. So, brief peer and peer pressure. Now, the word does mean a group of students or a group of friends having this happen when your peers create a pressure on you.
The question is peer pressure. One is open peer pressure, and second one individual or a group. As individual being exposed to certain behaviors, trends, or choices of others. Individual. Now a question rises: why do we have people make fun of us if we don't go along with the group? Now
Positive peer pressure. Second one is neutral peer pressure, and last one is negative peer pressure. Now come on positive peer pressure. Positive peer pressure is such kind of peer pressure in which someone is positively influenced from their peers. Peers means friends. Let us take an example. If you have a group of friends in your college or in your school, some of them are well good in studies, some of them are having a lot of knowledge, but you are also influenced from them to do the same thing. That is a positive peer pressure.
Now influence of good peer pressure. First is friendship. We can find friendship and acceptance and share experience that can build lasting bonds between our friends. Second is feedback and advice. Our friends listen and give us feedback, and we try out new ideas and give them advice which is suitable in their interest. Third one is socializing. Our peer group gives us opportunities to try out new social skills, getting to know lots of different people and help us to build a relationship. Fourth one is encouragement. Our friend can encourage us to study hard and not to give up easily. If there is any problem, there is a big encouragement. Fifth one is new experiences. We learn much thing from good peer pressure, and this increase in our experience. Now, how can you benefit from good peer pressure? You may learn something new and have a new experience, and we can find talent. We can overcome a fear of negative peer pressure, the law, getting into trouble with your parents, and hurting your health. We live a fulfilling life, and it makes you a better person.
Now come on neutral peer pressure. Neutral peer pressure is considered not as a problem because it is not much harmful to us. But a neutral peer pressure is like a Hindi phrase, bhed chal. You are all familiar with that. Now come on next slide. Now come on negative peer pressure. Negative peer pressure is such kind of peer pressure in which someone is negatively influenced from the others. Let us take again an example. A group of friends, some of them are smoking, are drinking, but some of them do not do that. But they are also influenced from them to do the same thing. That is a negative peer pressure.
How can that peer pressure affect you? It will go against your will. Peer pressure usually leads to doing something bad, such as drug addiction. It can lead to trouble with your family, and it can affect your health. And it can lead to mental problems like depression, high stress levels, negative behavior issues, and poor decision making and outcomes. Now, how can you respond to negative peer pressure? The key to dealing with negative peer pressure is self-confidence. By yourself, make your own decisions regardless of what others think. Listen to your gut and saying no. We must learn to say no to those things that we don't want to do or which is not right. Take actions. Sometimes we are able to tackle peer pressure because environment. Standing up for someone may help us. Plan for possible pressure situations. Think ahead of how we can handle situations. Decide ahead of time and even rehearse when we will say and do. Learn a few tricks. Hang with people who feel the same way you do. Choose friends who will speak up with us when we are in need of moral support. Now, next slide.
Although peer pressure has its good as well as its bad. If you go towards good, it will make you higher, and if you go towards bad, then it is very dangerous and unhealthy for our life. If we have to make our friends, we can make them carefully, because if you choose good peers, they can improve your confidence, boost your happiness, and reduce your stress. But and they also give you motivation. But if you choose bad ones, they cannot do that. They are totally opposite that of good peer pressures. They lower down your happiness and do not reduce your stress. Now, in last,
Now, who is the good pet
I want to
and who is the bad?
now in last I want to conclude by taking a short poem. The fear of being left out is what it's all about. No one wants to get laughed at or with the odd one out or affected. But you have to learn to be your own person. Yes, be yourself and aim to your best version. You are not a robot programmed to follow without thinking, yes, acting brainless with empty eyes blinking. I understand the pressure. It doesn't stop as you grow. It's natural to flow where everyone goes. And sometimes it's okay to go with the flow, but other times you have to swim against the tide, and so you will have to say no when everyone says yes, and we film with your choice deep in your chest and overcome that fear to being left out, because that's what peer pressure is really all
Thank you,
about.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I loved your effort and especially winding up with the poem at the end. So, was that poem written by one of you? It's okay if you just picked it from the internet. I don't mind, but it was a very relevant poem here, right? So, yes, and the topic you picked was amazing as well, right? Very relevant for you, your age group, especially, right? Like fresh from school to college, we are just trying to fit in. I remember my time as well that you're trying to, have your network of friends. And at times, yes, peer pressure does make you, skip classes because you are anxious to fit in, you're anxious to connect with people, right? So it was a wonderful topic that you guys picked up. Keep it up. I really loved your presentation. All right. So, who would like to go next? Harmandeep Kaur or Gurleen? So, Gurleen, is your presentation ready? Yes or no? Don't worry. You can just let me know in case it is not yet ready. I don't mind.
Yes, ma'am.
So, is that yes for the presentation being ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, you are most welcome to go ahead, share the screen whenever you are ready.
Ma'am, can is visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friends. I created a presentation on influence music in mental health.
Yes, Colleen, some network issue. I believe there was some network issue, right? So, Gurleen, am I audible to you? Are you in the class right now? Yes, Gurleen, I think there was some problem. All right, so who would like to go next? In the meantime, we can have another presentation. So, Harmandeep Singh. Yes, Harmandeep Singh, Harsimran. Ishant. So, Kanwardeep. All right, we can just have one more presentation since the time is about to be over, right? So, okay, I'll just ask you, anybody who wants to present next, we have around, 7 to 8 minutes to go. हाँ जी बच्चे. So, Yuvika, Vishal Gupta, Vishakha, Tamanna, Vijay. I think Vijay has already presented, right? Surbhi. हाँ जी Vishakha, would you like to present your PPT? Yes, you may go ahead. I hope it is, हाँ जी. Vishakha, आप present कर लो. Right, we have 9 minutes to go, so I think we'll be able to see yours. And don't worry in case the class gets over in between, right? We can always pick up from where we left in the next class. And Gurleen, you may present it next week as well. I think you face some network issue, or it could be at my end as well, right? So is that okay?
Correct.
Hanji Gurleen?
Yes, ma'am.
So was there some issue with the network?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So is it okay with you if we start with you next week?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you fine with that? I hope you won't mind.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So Vishakha, whenever you are ready, you may share your screen. Anji Vishakha, what happened? I hope everything is fine with the network.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, anytime you are ready.
Yes, ma'am. A very warm good morning to everyone. My name is Vishakha from CSC second semester, and today I'm going to present a presentation on the topic school life. School life is one of the most important phases in the life of a person. It is a period of learning and training in all the aspects of the personality of a man. When we were in the school, we all normally wait impatiently for school days to be over. But when we grow up, then we realize that our school life was the best period of our life. No matter what's going on in your life right now, school memories always make you happy. I want to recall some funny school memories. Like Like the most irritating moment was when the morning alarm or our mother woke us up early in the morning, and then when we get ready for our school, the most difficult task was finding our socks, tie, and badges, etc. Isn't it? The most lovely time was meeting friends. And one of the greatest blessings of my life has indeed been my school friends. They were the ones who made this journey easy and unforgettable. And the most dreadful journey was the way to class. And when it was some test, it is far more terrible. The most tragic moment was when there is test in first period and at last this happiness can't match anything when there was test and the teacher was absent that day. Am I right? Almost every class have heard this dialogue from their teacher that this is the worst class I have ever seen. The moments when you come late for class and pushing your friends to go in first, and when there was only one lunchbox and have many hands in it, that happiness of sharing the food with friends doesn't lie in eating it alone. I really miss those school days. School times end, but memories last forever. Have you remembered the song that every class sing in morning on the entry of teacher? That is, good morning, teacher. And then when teacher said sit down, so we start to sing thank you teacher. Yes, yes, almost every student has ever told this lie in childhood, that is, I did my homework but I forgot my notebook at home, isn't it? Have you ever been lie down on your desk and listening to the world beneath? I have done it several times. The school becomes the place where we have spent more than and become a family with that unfamiliar faces. It's not. We have passed almost 10% of our lifetime in a school. The fear of school bus, fighting with our friends for the window seat, the fancy dress competition, covering your notebooks, the group photos, and the morning assembly was one of the best moments of school life. going to ground from class in a small route, but going back to them, the backbenchers. They are the backbone of mostly every class. The school is not only for learning, reading books, etc., but also for doing fun and enjoying our school life. The backbenchers enjoy their school life the most. Most of us have been the backbenchers of their class. Even in 10th class, I was also a backbencher, and along with studies, I enjoyed a lot with my friends. And 10th standard is still my favorite, really unforgettable time there. And at last, we all miss those days very much. As we all know, that first and last day of our school life are the most memorable days. We entered our school weeping, and even while leaving, we have the same tears in our eyes. The difference being the former was not wanting to go, and the latter is for not wanting to leave. The joys and lessons my school life has given are surely countless and will remain to be the best days of my life. Thank you so much, Ram.
So that was wonderful, Vishakha. You took us back to our school times with that wonderful presentation that you made. Right? I'm sure a lot of you are feeling nostalgic since you are fresh out of school. It has been years for me since I passed out. Right? So no doubt that time has its own memories, its own charm. And no matter what, we do want to go back there and relive those days. So we did relive those days vicariously through your presentation, right? So I am so happy with the efforts all of you put in today, right? The most of you, the students which presented it today, each of you had some unique touch to it. You picked up very good, interesting and relevant topics, right? And it was clear from the presentation that you did put in a lot of time and effort into preparing them, right? I am really happy and I hope you keep up the good effort. And for the students who are yet to present, we have the next week, right? So I can also mark your internal assessment on based on this presentation, right? So just to motivate you in case you are yet to make it, do make it. Don't waste too much time. Don't worry about it much, and you will get your turn in the next week, right? And thank you for being a very wonderful, disciplined class, right? I always appreciate your coordination. Yes, I think we can skip turning on the videos, right? It is up to your comfort. I don't want to force you. However, if you want to turn on your video, you are most welcome. I won't, it's not compulsory. All right. So I just realized that it is not really that,